Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside WhatsApp, tap the three dots at the top right, then Settings. Once there, choose Account and then Privacy. This screen collects the switches you'll change. Make sure you're on the correct account and that WhatsApp is updated so options match. If your phone asks, confirm with passcode or fingerprint. Now that you're on the Privacy page, you can begin altering specific items like last seen, profile photo, about, status, read receipts, and chat level disappearing messages. Once on Privacy, tap last seen and switch it to everyone to stop hiding that timestamp. Next, open profile photo and about, also set both to everyone so they're visible. Then toggle read receipts on. Remember this shows others when you read messages. For status, go into Status Privacy and choose Everyone if you want public visibility. Make each change deliberately. WhatsApp will warn when some settings impact others, so read prompts and confirm to apply the less private configuration. To complete, exit Privacy and open any chat that previously used disappearing messages. Tap contact name, right arrow disappearing messages, right arrow off to retain history. Also review blocked contacts under Privacy and unblock anyone you want visible. If a setting doesn't change, force close WhatsApp and restart, then recheck settings. If still stubborn, update the app from your store. One key troubleshooting tip: log out and back in only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.